Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select focus areas on the Bend application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, just click to the profile icon at the upper left corner of the home screen. Scroll down, and in the preferences section you can find the focus areas. Click that, and here you can select your focus area. Actually I use the full body, but you can find different others, for example the hips or the chest, and click that, and if you finish, click to the done button, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.